Hello, we're back. Garage Works, as you can tell, probably very familiar with it by now. I did have quite a bit filmed from last week, however, it's gone missing. So we're here. I've now got a bit of metal that I've marked up and I need to cut out, which is what I'm going to do now. And then hopefully by the end of today, we'll have the boot pocket welded up in the car and it will be one step closer. Your hair's doing mad things right now. It was like stood up like a big unicorn horn. That was funny. Follow me.
Wish I didn't waste your time. Couldn't let it go. Never had the chance to find who I was alone. Cause every time I let you in, I'm losing track of everything. And I don't know how to pretend it's all fine. When I'm with you, I'm missing parts of me. Oh, it's true. I can't get up and leave. I don't ever wanna hurt you.
So this is the bit that I cut out. I think you would have saw me cutting it out. I then cut out another piece so that I can actually weld most of it in while leaving this part of the arch connected, so that when we put the outers in, there's more guidance on where they're meant to go.
Have to put this all behind and start with something new. Cause every time I let you in, I'm losing track of everything. And I don't know how to pretend it's all fine. When I'm with you, I'm missing parts of me. Oh, it's true. I can't get up and leave. I don't ever wanna hurt you, no. It's some time to be alone if I don't choose.
Back again. Putting some fuel in it because it needs it, but as I've jacked it up on the front jacking point, which I should have known better because I know that they go bad here, there's a massive hole and it's all collapsed, which means today I'm not going to carry on the boot. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this wing off and start stripping the interior carpet out, because I need to do this first, because I'm going to be jacking up and down this car a lot in the coming few months. It's really frustrating, but here we are. I've just quickly reinstalled the fuel neck so I can put some fuel in it. I'm not best pleased. I'm not best pleased at all. But it's part of it, isn't it? 30-year-old BMWs and that. Jacking points. Where isn't rusty on a 30-year-old BMW? Nowhere is the answer. Everywhere is rusty.
Yeah, I'm overzealous when I'm thinking about the cash flow. I never had no handouts, just came natural. I've been testing so much, all these wrestlers nice. All these different situations that I've been through. I seen pain trying to creep in through the window, but now I'm sliding through the hood in a Benzo. You gotta separate yourself just to elevate. I keep some drink in my cup to see through the hate. Sometimes on the road to glory, you gotta press the brakes. I got a lesson plan for all my past mistakes. I swear I'm proud of all my best and my worst days. Proud of all my feet when I touch the ground. Front of 8 at Beijing, man, they know the sound. I know I made mistakes, but my mama proud. Fans scream my lyrics out in the background. They ain't know me then, but I'm hot now. They say life's a gamble, you gotta roll the dice. I risked a lot of different things just to live this life. Life down bad, you gotta pay the price. I've been through hell and back just to live this life. They say life's a gamble, you gotta roll the dice. I risked a lot of different things just to live this life. When you down bad, you gotta pay the price. I've been through hell and back just to live this life. I'm faced with a lot of different choices these days. Do a rock and Rolex account of Blueface. The whole world know my name off a mixtape. I still got the same brother since 6th grade. G-Wagon, red seats, we on Biscayne. Trips to the Florida Keys, we imported these. Thanking God for the life he afforded me. All this jewelry on my body, I could like the hood. I need a brown skinned chick just like Megan Good. Holding up every promise that I ever made. Music in the background, it's a serenade. Been rapping 10 years, boy, this ain't a phase. I paid dues, paid rent, and I stayed the same. I had teardrops running down my face. I've been through a lot, I had real pain. But thank God, cause we really on a better days. They say life's a gamble, you gotta roll the dice.
Parked up now. We're done for today. I need to go do some shopping for the car and find out whether I can get solar panels. But all in all, to be honest, it's not that bad. Like repairing the jacking point is going to be a bit of an effort, but it's not BMW, and it was kind of to be expected. It just solidifies the idea of find something else for the meantime to drive. We'll make it work.